I don't bring una update from Mike David and Apostle Suleman. For now, we don't know wetin dey shele. These two they get issues. In fact, two of them they do ministry work together. Where matter can enter, sex matter enter inside. Where Mike David's wife, according to Mike David, in wife go they do some tinky with Apostle Suleman. So for now, we don't know wetin dey shele right now. Mike Davis don't come outside according to Ramo, according to Rai, say in the during this what did they call a spiritual period, say they pray, they fast, they seek the face of God. Where God can reveal to and say now the right thing to do be this. So may he come out now, come apologize to him father in the Lord, Apostle Suleman. So he don't come out now, come apologize to Apostle Suleman. And this matter why they talk to now. From the beginning, I'm not even want to believe all these plenty talk. My people, this same Mike Davis na the person will come outside, accuse Apostle Suleman, say he gets sex scandal with his wife. He even threatened to expose Otobo sex scandal. And he even come outside, when they tell us, say Apostle Suleman threatened Otobo to come outside, apologize for what he no do. He even released audio of where Apostle Suleman, they even threatened person. In fact, many wahala now, he don't come outside, say if he can apologize to his spiritual father. So I bet for now, we don't know who be Mike Davis. Join me, make we watch the video.
Good evening, fellow Nigerians and everyone around the world. In view of the issue that has been ongoing for the past weeks now, I have personally been on a spiritual sojourn. And I have received instructions from the Lord to take this step I'm taking right now. So personally, I want to apologize to my father in the Lord, Apostle John C. Suleman, and Mama Lizzie John C. Suleman, and Omega Fire Ministries around the world, for the frictions that were generated, and probably in the manner in which I reached out for help. I want to say I'm deeply sorry. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Hey, make it not be wetin they think, because I don't see. My mind don't enter like 7 rooms right now. I not say me, I be spiritual, I dey see things. Because now the kind things where they see, I just see green and red light. Green and red light. No, una see this guy face. Person wanna just watch. If you no check and well, go back. See the face, bruise just there everywhere. Be like say they don't hit and hit and in eye even swell up, everything. No. Mbanu, something is wrong somewhere. Even the body language, the way they talk, something they happen here. May no come be say they don't beat this guy. Make him come outside. Can they apologize on it? Because it happened before. I beg. It happened. This one not be saying now me bring talk inside another talk. It happened before. Even this October where they talk about how the apology happen. Now this one don't come outside and I go tell me say, truly, the Lord spoke to him and God say he should come out and apologize. The same hand will make Stephanie come outside, apologize. Now the same hand now will make this one come outside to apologize. Nothing one I won't tell me. Something is fishy inside this matter. And if the thing will happen now waiting at they think. last, my people, this life no balance. Because I know that's not how. See, I not go tell some kind of things for English. You do person wife, do you. After you do and finish, you even can't see. You can't beat husband, threaten the husband, make come outside, can't do video. And now me will sit down, say, real man of God, he do this one. Okay, don't go apologize now. For now, we go they argue. Una go they tell me, hey, this one. The same energy where this man use. Those in previous videos where they come outside, they talk about this thing. You know they see the difference. Okay, may we even assume say na true, say God tell am make e come outside, make e come talk. Wetin happen to the swollen eye? Why eye swell up like that? Even see the way even they see am, the only thing wey they see for this man eye na fear. Na only fear. Like, you know, when they force you to do something, to come outside apologize to, no, this thing na threat. They don't threaten this man. Hey God. He say God, he don't go for spiritual surgeon. Where the God don't tell him come outside and apologize. My son, it's the right thing to do, so you have to apologize. Una think say we be small children. No, una think the same God will tell you say go and apologize to your spiritual father, your father in the Lord. That God no tell you say apologize to your wife too. How come your wife now come dey out of the picture? And una go tell me say this one no be Apostle Suleman work. The wife, because everything wey we dey talk about here start with the wife. Now from the wife matter this thing starts. Where the wife go do zenge with Apostle Suleman. Now there the thing starts. So now, how come this man they can't apologize? If you can't give this apology, at least you first start with, okay, to my lovely wife, I am so sorry. You know, and you get how you go even they react. You go they what thing are they try tell me? See, I see violence behind this thing. Now wait till me I they see, but no worry. God no they sleep. You understand? If truly now this man manipulate Mike Davis, make it come outside, come they do this kind of video, God go still judge person. God go still judge person. And as we know, see, nothing they hidden under sun. Tomorrow, another matter go still come out, and we go come know the truth. You know I know they had. And when I know say with Madam Aproko inside this picture, una go always dey updated. Now why una need subscribe if una never subscribe? If not, how you go hear matters like this? Continuity upon continuity. Una know how we dey do it. Abeg, start dey drop those comments for that comment section, and make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know say Apostle Sule don start in wonder works. You understand? Very, very important. And if una never subscribe, once again, see my hand. Abeg, just click on that to support your girl. Stay tuned for our next story. Nigeria don't begin COVID-19 vaccinations, my people. And this one what they talk about, now the health workers, they first take the shots for Abuja. No be smart, you know. They bring, for now when no even they are aware, they bring them to African countries. So they first carry go Ghana. Now, Nigeria turn, my people. I see land Nigeria, they talk say now health workers go first taste the thing, whether they want. Chineke. My problem is say Nigeria government always they like to dey play smart. Every time. Una know say when they carry this thing go Ghana, no be joke o. When they carry this thing go Ghana, Ghana president take am. He first take am, you understand? Before they say okay, they distribute. He take. Una no go dey believe me anytime why they talk matter. Now why I bring am? You understand? So that una go see am with una eyes. So join me, make we watch President Nana Akufo-Addo. Why our own always dey different? No, na just watch am now. Why Nigeria own always get another color? Like the color they just dey different. You na bring vaccine o by yourself. We no beg you now. We no talk say abeg we need vaccine o. We dey die of virus o. Nobody beg you now. Una just decide with by una self. Say una dey bring this thing. Ngwanu as they bring am now, una no get wisdom. Say una okay, una go first take am. Which kind of leaders we get? No, which kind of leaders we get? If you be person parent, you wan give your person your pikin food, you no go taste am. You no go first taste am before you give your pikin. We say we get leaders o. Health workers go first take am. Then after they take am, una think say una dey wise, You want me they take am so that una go see whether any side effect dey inside. Very wicked, Nigeria government, Buhari administration na the most wicked administration wey I don see for this life. Most wicked. If not, make una give me one reason why Buhari himself never take that vaccine. And the health worker, yeah, make am no even enter on a matter right now. Biko, since una dey wait, make health workers take am first. No problem, they don already dey take am. You understand? Abeg, after these health workers, the politicians go be next people. And before all the politicians wey dey talk about, the head go first start, Buhari. And Buhari own, I no want am say, I no want audio, no go do that nonsense wey you go dey send your PA, they can't deliver message. You and who they do that one? You go do am for public, where all of us dey see say you dey take am. Very, very important. And that Buhari own, we go make sure say na that vaccine, o. Because these people, they go change something, they go just put water inside syringe, say they inject person. I know they inside that nonsense. We now go show us, say, okay, this is it. We are now putting it. It's going. Woo, it has gone. We must see it. Una think say una smart. Una never say anything. Me. Now, why did they call me Madam Aproko? Because they enter into all the corners. And I know the things we wanna fit do by now. I am very disappointed in all these health workers. When I go school, they just put on there, say, okay, just do this thing because of connection. When I say when I go school, because if truly when I go school by now, when I suppose know the kind of risk where they go through now. That vaccine where nobody do research, nobody check and when they do, when not supposed get sense by now. Upon all the medicine when I say when I study medicine, Even me, when I no study medicine, I know many things when I suppose no pass una self. E go shock una. Make we give them till 12 midnight. No, just give them till 12 midnight. I dey wait for something. Like I want check something. You understand? Make they wait. When una start dey see person dey dance a willow lugumba, na dey una go know say truly there is something involved. Una no just love anybody but una self. Una no love anybody. Before when they talk this thing, I been the thing say, how they go talk this thing like this? Now I dey see am. No love, just selfishness, and for una wey be men, we relax. Now when una no fit perform again, when una no fit satisfy una woman, una no fit born again, una just dey pour water, una think say na this thing. Now that time una eye go open. Make una continue dey take am. In case una no know, make I repeat am again because I know say I don talk am before. See, they want reduce the number of people wey dey Africa. You understand? And Bill Gates now, Bill Gates get balls to dey compare himself with God because God create human being. Who are you now to come outside and tell us that we are too much? Now you're much? You feel create this world? People are too much in the world. People are too much in Africa. We are too many. Start from your family now. Remove yourself and your family. You don't understand. You don't know the great space you create for us in this life. Remove yourself. No, not be yourself. You go remove first because if you remove yourself, your family members, nobody will come remove them. Remove your family people. When you don't wipe them off, you can't inject yourself one poisonous thing so that you will go. Start like that. No come outside when they tell us people are plenty. People, no, now you are not plenty. You are not part of the people making Africa plenty. I don't want verse, I beg. See, the time don't dey close. Oh. Time is near. The ending time. You don't dey very close for now. We no. Now why all these things just dey shele? Make una relax. Very short. Very, very short. And as for now, way second gods on earth, una don't call una self God. Una don't dey do wetin God no send una to do. Una wan spoil God work. Una no know who una dey fight. He's stronger than you people. All of una join together, una no even reach. So make una continue. My people, now the matter be this. For Nigeria, now they happen because I know say many of una dey Nigeria. Still, una no know wetin dey shele. I don't bring her. You understand? So make everybody see. Not take anything if our leaders never take them. They must take them first before we go start the things. So we go take them. Very, very important. Now why I bring this matter? So still drop those comments for for the comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey shele for Nigeria right now. Subscribe if you never subscribe, and click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything wey I get for una. Stay tuned for the next story.